Microinvesting is a modern way to start building wealth, even if you only have a few dollars to spare. Instead of needing hundreds or thousands to invest, microinvesting lets you begin with as little as $5. This approach is perfect for beginners or anyone who feels intimidated by traditional investing. It's all about making investing accessible and easy, using technology to break down barriers. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how you can start microinvesting with just $5 step by step. Let's explore how small amounts can grow into something meaningful over time. Starting small removes the fear and risk often associated with investing. With just $5, you're not risking much, but you're gaining valuable experience. This approach helps you build confidence and understand how investing works without the pressure of losing significant money. Over time, these small investments can add up, especially when you're consistent. Microinvesting is about forming good habits early so you can grow your wealth steadily. Let's see how you can get started, even if you're on a tight budget. One of the most exciting parts of microinvesting is compounding. When you invest, your money can earn returns, and those returns can earn even more returns over time. Even small amounts like $5 can grow significantly if you keep investing regularly. Compounding works best when you start early and stay consistent. This means that the sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Let's look at how compounding can turn your small investments into a larger sum in the future. Start microinvesting, you'll need to pick a reliable app. There are many apps designed specifically for beginners, making it easy to invest small amounts. Look for apps with low fees, simple interfaces, and educational resources. Some popular options let you start with just $5 and offer automatic investing features. Take your time to read reviews and compare features before making your choice. The right app can make your investing journey smooth and enjoyable. Once you've chosen your app, setting up your account is usually quick and straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email, and bank details. Most apps guide you through the process step by step so you don't have to worry about getting lost. Make sure to use a secure password and enable any security features the app offers. This helps protect your money and personal information as you begin your investing journey. To invest, you'll need to link your bank account to your microinvesting app. This allows you to transfer your $5 and future investments easily. Most apps use secure connections to keep your information safe. Double-check your details and make sure you're comfortable with the app's security measures. Linking your bank is a one-time step, and after it's done, adding funds becomes quick and hassle-free. Now comes the exciting part, making your first investment. With your account set up and your bank linked, you can transfer $5 into your microinvesting app. Most apps will guide you through the process, showing you exactly where your money is going. This first step is important as it marks the beginning of your investing journey. Remember, it's not about the amount, but about building the habit. Microinvesting apps often offer a range of investment options such as stocks, bonds, or ETFs. It's important to understand what you're investing in even if you're starting small. Take time to read about each option and see which one matches your goals and comfort level. Many apps provide educational resources to help you learn. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel about your choices. Diversification means spreading your money across different investments to reduce risk. Even with just $5, many microinvesting apps allow you to invest in a mix of assets. This way, if one investment doesn't do well, others might balance it out. Over time, as you add more money, your portfolio can become even more diverse. Diversification is a key principle for long-term investing success. Before you invest, think about what you want to achieve. Are you saving for a rainy day, a big purchase, or just building wealth over time? Setting clear goals helps you stay motivated and make better decisions. Write down your goals and check in on them regularly. Microinvesting is a journey, and having a destination in mind makes it easier to stay on track. Many microinvesting apps let you automate your investments so you don't have to remember to add money each time. You can set up automatic transfers even as little as $5 a week or month. Automation helps you stay consistent and grow your investments without extra effort. It's a great way to build wealth over time, especially if you have a busy schedule. It's important to keep an eye on your investments. Most apps provide easy-to-read dashboards that show how your money is growing. Checking in regularly helps you stay motivated and make adjustments if needed. You'll be able to see the impact of your small, consistent investments over time. Watching your progress can be rewarding and encourage you to keep going. Investing is a learning process, especially when you're just starting out. Take advantage of the educational resources your app offers. Read articles, watch videos, and ask questions. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Remember, every investor started somewhere, and it's okay to take things one step at a time. It's easy to make mistakes when you're new to investing. Some common pitfalls include investing too much too soon, not diversifying, or reacting emotionally to market changes. Take your time, start small, and stick to your plan. If you're unsure, use the educational tools in your app or seek advice from trusted sources. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Every investment app charges fees, but they can vary widely. Some charge a flat monthly fee while others take a small percentage of your investments. Make sure you understand what you're paying for and how it affects your returns. Lower fees mean more of your money stays invested and can grow over time. Always read the fine print before committing. Consistency is one of the most important factors in successful investing. Even if you can only invest $5 at a time, doing it regularly can lead to significant growth. Set a schedule that works for you, whether it's weekly or monthly, and stick to it. Over time, your small investments will add up and you'll see the benefits of your discipline. When your investments earn returns, you can choose to reinvest them. This means your money keeps working for you and compounding can accelerate your growth. Most microinvesting apps offer automatic reinvestment options so you don't have to think about it. Reinvesting is a smart way to maximize your results over time. The market will always have ups and downs, but don't let short-term changes scare you. Investing is a long-term journey and it's normal for your balance to fluctuate. Stay focused on your goals and keep investing regularly. Over time, the market tends to grow and your patience will pay off. As you become more comfortable with microinvesting, you might want to increase the amount you invest. Even adding a few extra dollars each month can make a big difference over time. Adjust your contributions as your budget allows, but remember, consistency is more important than the amount. Every little bit helps your money grow. It's important to celebrate your progress no matter how small. Every time you invest, you're building a better financial future for yourself. Take pride in your discipline and commitment. Recognizing your achievements keeps you motivated and helps you stay on track with your goals. Setbacks are a normal part of any investing journey. If you make a mistake or the market drops, don't get discouraged. Use these moments as learning opportunities. Review what happened, adjust your strategy if needed, and keep moving forward. Every investor faces challenges, but persistence leads to success. The world of investing is always changing. Stay informed by reading news, following market trends, and using the educational resources in your app. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Staying informed helps you adapt to changes and take advantage of new opportunities. Microinvesting isn't just about growing your money, it's also about building healthy financial habits. By investing regularly, you're learning to save, plan, and think long-term. These habits will serve you well in all areas of your financial life. The discipline you develop now will pay off for years to come. It's a good idea to review your investment strategy from time to time. Check if your goals have changed or if you want to adjust your contributions. Reviewing your strategy helps you stay on track and make sure your investments match your needs. Don't be afraid to make changes as your life evolves. If you ever feel stuck or confused, don't hesitate to seek support. Many apps offer customer service and there are online communities where you can ask questions and share experiences. Learning from others can help you avoid mistakes and stay motivated. Remember, you're not alone on your investing journey. Online security is crucial when investing. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication if your app offers it. Be cautious with your personal information and avoid sharing your login details. Staying safe online protects your money and your peace of mind. There may come a time when you need to withdraw your money. Most microinvesting apps make this process simple, but it's important to understand any fees or tax implications. Plan your withdrawals carefully and only take out money when it aligns with your goals. Withdrawing responsibly helps you stay on track for the long term. Once you're comfortable with microinvesting, consider sharing what you've learned with friends or family. Teaching others can reinforce your own knowledge and help those you care about start their own investing journeys. The more people who learn about microinvesting, the more financially empowered our communities become. Investing is a long-term commitment and it's normal to feel less motivated at times. Remind yourself why you started and celebrate your progress. Stay connected with others who are on the same journey and keep learning. Motivation comes and goes, but your commitment will carry you through. Starting with just $5, you've taken the first step toward building a brighter financial future. Microinvesting is about more than just money, it's about building habits, learning, and growing over time. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to start small. Every journey begins with a single step, and yours is already underway. Here's to your success.